Hello, urban gardeners. Welcome back to our series on urban gardening. Today's episode is all about selecting the perfect plants for your balcony garden. We'll guide you through various options to help you create a beautiful and thriving space. Every balcony is unique. Start by assessing your balcony's exposure to sunlight. Is it sun-drenched for most of the day, or does it enjoy the coolness of shade? This will determine the type of plants that will flourish in your space. For sun-loving balconies, consider plants like petunias, geraniums, or marigolds for a pop of color. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme also thrive in sunny spots. If your balcony is more on the shady side, fear not. Ferns, begonias, and peace lilies are beautiful and thrive in less light. Now let's talk about edibles. Imagine stepping out to your balcony to grab fresh herbs or veggies for your meals. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, and strawberries can be great additions to your balcony garden. When choosing plants, it's not just about sunlight. Consider how much time you can dedicate to plant care. Some plants require more attention than others. If you're a busy bee, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. Space is a premium on balconies. Choose plants that fit comfortably in your available space. Utilize hanging planters or rail planters to maximize your area. Visit your local nursery or garden center to see what's available. Ask for advice on plants that are best suited for your area's climate and your balcony's conditions. Experiment with combinations of plants for a varied and visually appealing balcony garden. Think about colors, textures, and heights when combining plants. A mix of trailing plants like ivy with upright plants like small shrubs can create an interesting dynamic. Also, consider the changing seasons. Some plants are annuals while others are perennials. Would you prefer a garden that changes with the seasons, or one that remains consistent throughout the year? Choosing the right plants is the first step to creating a balcony oasis. Remember, your garden is a reflection of your personal style, so have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more urban gardening tips. Share your balcony garden photos with us using Urban Garden Republic. See you in our next episode, where we'll talk about maximizing your space with vertical gardening.